I've been waiting for this moment. Oh, oh, oh wow. I love this. It's so beautiful. Oh, and look at the match in here. Oh my God. So this is an official Rolls-Royce colour. It's called Boracay Blue, but I got it done at Cardiff so I could get it sooner than Rolls-Royce could give it to me. Look at this. Wow. This is so beautiful. Wow. What do you guys think? Look what they've done here. You've got this new coach line in silver to match all the chrome detailing here on the top. And then down the front, you follow this down and you've got SC logo. Our logo. This is beautiful. Thank you guys. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Look at this, look at this. Look at the color combo now. It's like a Skittles pack. Oh, wow. Hello. What do you think?